Next.
Okay, magandang araw po sa kanila lahat. Welcome to Sante International. Kamusta po kayo lahat dyan? Okay, dyan po sa ating mga live televiewers, kamusta naman po sa kayo dyan? Okay, binabati po natin yung mga partners natin from Isabela, kung kayo po ay nanonood na ngayon. From Dagupan, kay Rob Joel Luyo. Yung mga leaders po natin doon sa Northern Luzon. Yung mga kapatid po natin nanonood sa Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Isabela. And how about po yung mga kapatid at yung mga kasama po natin nanonood po sa Cavite. Meron din po dyan. And somewhere in Bicol region, may mga nanonood na rin po. Kamusta naman po mga kapatid natin dyan sa Cebu? Katatapos lang po kanina ni Dr. Roger Salindong. Meron po silang meeting kanina sa Cebu. So, kamusta naman po yung mga kapartner po natin dyan sa area po ng Tacloban, kay Tita Linda? Kamusta po dyan? How about naman po sa Cagayan de Oro, kay June Francisco? Kamusta kayo dyan? And doon po sa Davao, no, kay Miss Viana. At kamusta naman po sa area po ng Jensan? Jensan po, kay Engineer Jong de los Reyes. Kamusta naman po sa mga taga Marbel, kay Jonel. And of course, kailangan po batiin natin ang grupo po ni Gabi, dyan po sa Tagum. At yung pong grupo nila sa Mati, and kay Bang Bang, no? Dyan po sa Bayugan. Kamusta po kayo lahat? So, welcome po kayo sa ating pong live video streaming. Ito po isa sa mga upgrades at magandang proyekto po ng ating CEO, Mr. Joey Marcelo, para po sa ating updates at para po sa ating mga video streaming. Ito po isang exciting na technology na mapapakinabangan lahat. So, bumabati po niya ako sa inyo ng magandang araw para po sa ating product and wellness training sa araw na ito. Every Wednesday po natin ginagawa ito. At ang ating pong programa ngayon para po sa ating mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, kung nababasa niyo po, ang programa po natin ngayon ay Sabi ni Doc. Right? This program is brought to you by DWW Barley FM. Okay po yan. Okay, so abangan po natin, no? Marami po tayong mapag-aaralan ngayon tungkol po sa kalusugan at syempre po para po sa ating barley na product po natin. So again, everybody is welcome na makinig. Please text and invite your partners to watch us live on www.joeymarcelo.com. At ito na po yung ating pinakahihintay ng pagkakataon para po mapanood at mapakinggan po ang ating pong medical trainer, medical consultant. Isa po natin siyang kapartner para po magpapaliwanag sa atin kung ano po yung kalusugan at kung ano po yung barley para po sa ating katawan. Ang ating po guest speaker ay hindi lang po basta doktor, pero hindi siya din po ay professor. Nagtuturo po siya sa mga nurses. At siya din po ay connected din sa iba't ibang mga association, sa iba't ibang mga organization. Kaibigan po niya yung mga doctors po na namamahala sa mga government hospitals. At ito po doktor na ito ay kasama na po pagdating po sa wellness. A well-known doctor when it comes to wellness and when it comes to promoting yung tinatawag po natin na mga pangkalusugan at yung mga marami pang mga bagay na dapat natin pag-aralan. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
So sabay-sabay po natin palakpakan at i-welcome ang ating pong guest trainer, ating pong medical consultant, medical doctor. Welcome po natin si Dr. Vic Gonzalez.
Thank you po, Sir Abel. Okay, pakibigay. Okay, kamusta ko kayong lahat? Okay naman. Ay mga nanonood po dyan. Joel, nice to hear from you again. Joel Luyo, ang best friend ko po siya. At hindi ko lang babati siguro lahat yung mga binati po ni Sir Abel dahil lahat po nabati niya eh. Okay, so sana po ay matutunan niyo itong mga aking sasabihin dito, pati yung mga nasa loob. I'll try my best to talk in Taglish if you will allow me. Kasi natin last Wednesday, meron po tayong foreigner dito na I think plano mag-service center or stockist. Kaya hindi ako masyadong makapagtagalog. Baka mamaya ako maiwan siya. Okay, but right now, siguro much better to prefer na mag-Tagalog po ko ng as much as I can para magkaintindihan po tayo. Okay? So I mean, last week, if I can still remember, I did talk more about the lifestyle. Okay, kung ano yung mga dapat pong lifestyle natin. Ngayon naman ho, I'll be a little bit focusing more of the product. Okay? So, matagalas po ako na-imbita na, you can see me here. Okay, nandito po ako dati sa Hong Kong last year. Ako po ay talaga naimbitahan ako sa lugar to talk about wellness and health. What are the proper things to be done? Gusto niyo ba humaba mga buhay niyo?
Yes.
Sa kanan lang sumasagot, sa kaliwa kayo. Okay? Okay. Anyway, so maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood po dyan sa kanilang mga lugar. Maraming salamat po sa inyong time na pagpunta ho rito, okay, sa ating lugar sa Sante. Okay? So let's proceed. Next, sir. Okay. This is our product. It came from New Zealand. Okay? Yan po ang ating CEO and Presidente, Mr. Joey Marcelo. At makikita ho nyo na talagang galing po tayo sa New Zealand. Okay? Yung produkto ho natin. And one thing, what is important about our product, pakipindot nga, sir? Okay, ano yung lumitaw ho?
Pure.
It's pure. Okay, hindi ho kamukha ng iba hong mga produkto, medyo may halo po yun. In other words, sa atin po, it's little bit talagang pure po. At mas maganda ho, more concentrated, the more it's powerful. Okay? Yan po ay, sa lugar ho ba yung sinabi sa inyo? New Zealand. Sino yung pumunta dyan?
Yes.
Okay, I think, sabi ko nga, ako mismo, every time I see this picture, nakita ko po ating CEO, sabi ko, how I wish I can imagine I'm also there. Diba? Katitig ko, sabi ko talaga na-imagine ko, pakipindot nga sir, pininihan itong lugar, itong taong to. Yan mo. Okay? That's the power of imagination. Sabi ko, sa susunod na pupunta si Sir Joey dito, ako yung nasa kaliwa na niya. Okay? Honestly, kaya ako ginagawa na this one way of motivating, letting you see in the future na kayo po in the end it will come to pass. Okay? Kaya ho dapat ang ginagawa din. Let's always think of the positive things, mangyayari yung maniwala lang po kayo. Okay? So think of our pure body as really pure. Kaya ito kaganda ang ating produkto. Okay? Next please. Okay, pakibasa nga po yung nakasulat. My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Hosea 4:6. The reason why I'm standing in front of you, guys, para ho malaman natin yung mga dapat malaman. Okay? Last week nga napag-usapan natin all about wellness. Ngayon naman pag-aalamin natin yung produkto mismo. Ano ba yung kagandahan ng produkto at mga dapat medyo iwasan at dapat pong kainin. And as our Almighty Creator had told us, dapat po may alam tayo talaga. Kasi nagpe-perish tayo pag wala po tayong alam. So we have to know. Okay? Next please. Would you want to be healthy and beautiful?
Yes.
Sa kanan na naman, sa kaliwa mahina. Okay? Again, would you like to be healthy and beautiful?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay. Pa-plus ko lang, imagine niyo rin na ito yung mga itsura niya, isang plaster. Yan, gusto mo niyo ganyan? Ano yung gusto niyo sa kanan, yung nasa kaliwa? Sa
Kaliwa?
Ha? Sa kaliwa. Bakit ayaw niyo nasa kaliwa? Ayaw niyo ho rito? Ha? Mga babae, umiinin. Nahiram, ano? Honestly, siguro mas maganda yung hunk type, di ba? Yung nasa kanan. Kasi ito, pakita na yung mister mo, delikado pag nagalit sa inyo, eh, no? Isang yakap lang siya matindi-tindi, lasog-lasog ang buto mo, eh. Okay? Sa mga lalaki, I think I will prefer the right side na lalaki, di ba? Sa mga babae, isang click, sir. Ayan, gusto niyo ba yung ganyan ng mga figure, mga babae?
Pwede.
Ayaw din, ayaw. Pwede pa ho yan. Dali sa mga letting you see this, pwede ho. Mamaya pag-usapan natin kung paano. Okay? Next please. Gusto niyo ho ba na mag-enjoy in your love life with your spouses? Wala ho.
Yes.
Hindi ho niyo mahal yung mga asawa niyo?
Widow.
Widow. Anyway, sa mga may asawa, it's applicable. I'm going to let you know how it's going to be done. Alam niyo, honestly kidding aside, having an active sexual life will put years to your life. Okay, tandaan niyo sinabi ko, pa kayo po is sexually active with your spouses, not beyond the boundaries of marriage, napakaganda ho sa ating kalusugan. Okay? At higit sa lahat to, pakiclick nga sir. Yan, gusto niyo ba pagtandaan niyo, ganyan pa kayo? Nakikipag-ballroom dancing pa, wala pang mga arthritis? What time to sumagot?
Yes.
Okay? Nag-barley na ho ba kayo mga nandito?
Yes.
Hindi pa. Anyway, guys, the reason why I'm letting you see this, imagine yourself, okay? 70 and above, still capable of doing this. Ang sarap po kung wala kayo nararamdaman at this age. I'm telling you. Okay? What more kung aabutin niyo yung ganito? Pakiclick, sir. Yan. Ha? 70 years old na, nangangalabit pa. That's the reason why sinasabi ko, "Dok, matanda na ako, wala na akong ganyan." Honestly, it's all about nutrition. The more you are having good relationship with your spouses, the more mas mahaba ang buhay based on studies. Gusto niyo ba yung mga yan?
Yes!
Iba nakatitig na lang sa matanda. Nangangalabit ko si Tatang, okay? Si nanay naman nakangiti lang, mamaya na dito, sabi niya. Okay, next please. Okay? It's all about nutrition, the healthy lifestyle. Okay? Tingnan po natin dito ha. Ang sabi po, it's all about nutrition when it comes to how many trillions of cells? At least 73. Okay? That requires clean air. Tingnan niyo po ang word na required. Okay? Clean air, water, and ano po yung naka-underline pong dilaw? Essential nutrients. Kailangan po yan. Okay? So lahat po tayo ay kailangan yan, tatlong yan, to have a good foundation. Kailangan ho ba ang foundation sa mga building?
Yes.
Kasi pag mahina foundation mo, babagsak ka ganyan. The reason why I'm telling this is the same as true with people. If you have a poor foundation ng nutrition, you'll die young. Sino gusto agad mamatay? Ayaw, pero ayaw naman gawin yung tama. Pag-uusapan natin mamaya. Next please. Okay, let's try again to discuss. Discuss ko po ito last week. Nutrition. Look at here. Processes. Okay? Kailangan lahat ito. Kasi ang mga tao, pag sinabi nutrition, they're just always thinking of the food. Oy, nutritious yan. Yan yung dapat kainin. Nakakalimutan nila. Pakibasa ngayon mga nasa dilaw, it has to be ingest, digest, absorb, transport, usage, at dapat ilabas yung pagkain na kinain mo. May mga nutritious nga ngayon kinain, hindi naman nilalabas. So constipated ka. May nakain ka, hindi naman nagamit, hindi naman digest, hindi na absorb. It's useless. See, kaya sinasabi sa inyo, we have to know all of this. Especially, hindi pa kita nakaguhit, pakibasa na ho. Properties of the food that you take in. Iba ho kasi dyan, basta lang masatisfy yung gutom, wala na silang pakialam, kain na ng kain, kahit ano ho kinakain ka sa mga kalsada. Okay? So, next please. Essential nutrients. One please, sir. Yeah. Could you help me read from 1 to 6? Come on. Number 1, carbohydrates. Number 2, fats. Number 3, proteins. 4, vitamins. 5, minerals. And 6, water. These are essential. When you say essential, kailangan po ng tao. Again, kailangan po lahat ng tao. Dok, ano ba yung mga yan? Okay, let's try to dissect a little bit kung ano yung mga animal ito. Next, please. Carbohydrates. Look at this, ha? Specific needs for energy. Okay? Conserving protein during energy production, burns fats, aiding in the normal functioning of the intestinal flora, laxative action, and aids in absorption. So, kailangan po carbohydrates. Kaya meron mga taong minsan, they don't even take their breakfast. Yung mga taong ganyan, they sometimes do it brunch, as they call it. Mali ho yun. Pinagsasama niyo yung breakfast sa lunch. The first organ na naghahanap po ng pagkain when you wake up is your brain. It's in the form of glucose. Okay? Carbohydrates is even converted to glucose. Walang kinain. How will you expect na magiging maganda pag-iisip niyo? Walang kinakain yung utak niyo. Kakain, alas 12 ng tanghali. So, bakit sinabi ko? Masakit ang ulo ko, parang wala ako sa mood, wala akong magandang concentration. It's because wala kang pinakain sa inyong brain. Okay? Kaya sinasabi ko, please do not try to eat the brunch type of method of lifestyle. Always try. Ano ba breakfast up to what time at least? At least not beyond 8 p.m. That's breakfast. Okay? Next please. Fats. Oh, huwag kang kakain ng fats. Guys, take note. These are the healthy fats and we need fats inside our body. It provides energy, facilitates absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, supplies essential fatty acids, supports and protects internal organs, temperature regulation, and lubricating body tissue. So, kailangan po ang fat. Maalala pa mamaya, I'll try to discuss even the cholesterol. Bisa pag may kumakain, cholesterol lang, cholesterol lang. Take note, cholesterol is part of your cell. For those who are in the medical field, alam po yan on the nursing field, cell is partly fats. Okay, especially cholesterol. Okay, next. Next please, protein. Yan o, tignan niyo po o, growth, repair and maintenance of body structure. I would go further. Doon pa lang sa tatlong binanggit ko, how important protein is. It's very, very important. Ay iba ho, hindi kumakain ng proteina. Okay? Mas maganda ho sa ating produkto, later on I'm going to be discussing, sa ating po, plant protein. It's not an animal protein. Plants have proteins, the good type of proteins. Okay? Next please. Vitamins. Ayan, vitamins ang vitamins. Guys, we are talking of the organic vitamins. Don't be mistaken with synthetic vitamins. This is synthetic, nabibili po sa, I hope you won't mind me saying this, yung mga nasa drugstore pong nabibili nyo, hindi po fully concentrated at hindi ho lahat po yun organic. A little bit of organic lang ho yun, mostly synthetic. Synthetics are not good inside your body. Your body can identify na hindi po organic yun. So it's not good for your liver especially. Okay? So, vitamins are definite for, ano ba yung antioxidant? Narinig mo yun? Antioxidant. It's against oxidation. It's against rancidity. Alam nyo ba ang tao kinakalawang? Kinakalawang mo tayo. Diba when you bite an apple, you eat it sometime about 5 to 10 minutes, ang itsura ng nagiging brown. That had undergone oxidation or rancidity. Ganun din ang tao. Okay? If you don't have any vitamins, it will go under oxidation. Gusto niyo bang kalawangin? Ayan yun, di ba? Next. Minerals. Structure to body tissues. Regulating body processes. Napaka-importante po ng minerals. Next please. Yan. Sino hindi nagtutubig sa inyo? Look at that. An adult is to 1 to 1.5 ml of water per calorie. May mga tao hindi na halos nagtutubig. Ang ginagawa ng tubig, soft drinks. Ginagawa ng tubig, mga beverages, mga juices. You need a water, especially the alkaline type and mineral type of water. And last week, honestly guys, I had talked about the things that has to be avoided. Number one, I hope you're doing it already. For those mga nakikinig po sa akin last week yan ho, sa kanilang mga lugar, I had mentioned, number one, please avoid soft drinks. Ubusuhon yung mabahaba ang buhay nyo. Okay? Please do not believe all the commercials, if I may say. Partly lang ang tama sinasabi na majority are for the profit of purposes ng kumita. Okay? Next please. Okay, health promotion. May dalawa pong approach. Take note ang traditional approach and preventive approach. Kami po mga doktor, mga nurses, mga nasa medical, we are on the traditional approach. Tayo po, we are under the preventive approach, especially you being part of Sante. Okay? Masyado ho kayo seryoso na naman. Talaga ho ba ganyan kayo? Mababait po ba tayo talaga nandito lahat? O mga medyo nagugutom na? Okay, next please. Okay. Tingnan po basahin ko sa inyo. Nutrition is a science. It is a key. Kaya nilagyan ko nito. How important a key is. It's so important. You cannot run your car, you cannot open the door, you cannot open the padlock without a key. Isn't it? Eh, ang sabi, nutrition daw ang key, ang susi, para magkaroon ng magandang buhay. At take note, tingnan na, we don't live to eat, but we definitely eat to live. May mga tao, take note, laking bagay doon, nabuhay para kumain. Hindi ho. Hindi ho tayo nilalang ng Diyos para kumain. Nabubuhay tayo dahil sa pagkain. O ngayon, nag-iisip kayo, bakit kaya maiksi ang buhay ng tao? I can still remember when I was young, yung mga medyo kaedad ko rito. Huwag na magtataas ng kamay, medyo kaedad ko rito. Okay? At meron pa akong alam, mas may edad pa ho sa akin dito. Okay. Walang galang na ho, tatay, if you will agree with me. Okay? Nung panahon ho, especially ng aming kabataan, wala pong mga street foods, walang mga fast food street. I always try to recall at naalala ko, up to now, tuwing ako po yung magme-merienda, hinahanap ko po binato. Yung mga nasa probinsya, siguro alam mo niyo yung mga binato. Another one of my favorites is nilupak. Iba, hindi na yata makapag-relay sa akin ng nilupak. Sarap po na, di ba tatay? Nilupak? Okay, another one which until now is my favorite, banana Q at kamote Q. Ayoko lang kung masyadong maraming karnibal, pinaalis ko. Dahil masama ko yung karnibal eh, mga pinaglutuan ng karnibal. And one thing that I do miss right now is tubo. And instead of calling tubo, kinakayos, tapos papangal mo. Ako sarap. Ngayon wala na. Pag nagutom ang bata, nandun sa mga fast food chain. Pinag-usapan mo natin last week on these are all carcinogenic, mostly not good for your health. Okay? At anamimiss ko pa ho, ito, tignan nyo if you will agree with me. Ang mga nanay at tatay ko, lalo mga nanay at tatay, pagdating ng alauna, hinahanap yung mga anak, hoy, halika dito, tulog ka. Pinatutulog kami ng alauna. Ihiga kami, naalala ko, tapat namin ng radyo at bubuksan sa favorite programa niya, ito ang inyong Chadeli. Patay na ako si Chadeli, di ba? At when we wake up at 3 o'clock, ano ginagawa ko namin? Patintero, syatong, ano niyo ba yung mga yun? Mga bata, hindi na alam, alin pa may syatong? Alam mo, sarap po, bakit? That's all recreational. That's all physical activity. Wala na ako ngayon, ang tao, mga bata, computers. So what's the point? This is all about nutrition and healthy lifestyle. Nawala na po yun. Sana ibalik po natin, guys. Bakit? Napakahalaga po ng lalo na ibalik natin yung tama. And you can agree with me. Ang mga matatanda na pag namatay, 90, 100, 80, di ba? E pag namamatay, 40, 30. Then the youngest patient that I had suffering from hypertension is 23. Because of the lifestyle. Lalo na po, mawalang galang na mga nagtatrabaho sa call centers. Yung umaga, okay, ginagawa nila sa gabi. Binabaliktad ang body clock ng utak nila, which the brain definitely knows ano yung biological clock na kung saan lugar ka. The only thing, guys I hope you try to remember this. Tingnan niyo po ito ha. The only time, listen to this, mga nakikinig po sa akin dyan, na pwede mag-repair yung inyong internal organs, inyong katawan is only during sleep. Doon lang po siya. Tapos i-deprive mo. Paano siya makakapag-repair? Kaya itsura mo kinabukasan, haggard ka. Diba? Makakalamata ka. Iba po yung tulog sa hapon, iba po yung tulog sa natural na gabi. You cannot change that unless you are another time zone. Nasa Amerika, alam na ulit ang utak nyo. Hindi nyo kayang dayain yung utak nyo. I'm telling you. It has its own biological clock. Okay? Nakakaintindihan ba tayo? Okay, next please. Are this a healthy lifestyle? We are talking of the healthy lifestyle. Ha? Tell me if you agree these are the healthy lifestyle. Click, sir. Are those a healthy lifestyle? No. Mawalang galang na ho. Bato-bato sa langit, tamaan magalit. Okay, next please. Is this a healthy lifestyle? Pagdating sa gabi, nakipaghalikan sa inodoro nila? Ha? Ay, sana yung ganyan lifestyle, medyo iwas-iwasan po natin yan, ha? Next, please. Is this a healthy lifestyle? Always on stress, aburido, at ang pagkain nito, kaya mo wala ng bukas? Lores. May mga taong ganyan. Di mo lang kung, saan mo ilalagay yung pagkain na kinakain mo? And yet, mapayat. Walang tingin na sa kaliwat kanan, ha? Diretso lang po ang tingin. Okay. Next, please. Walang galang na po. Next. Iyan. Wala akong titingin lalo sa katabi nila, ha? Ganyan na ho ba ang mga itsura? At lalo sa speaker, wag ho kayo titingin. Okay? Ganyan na ho ba ang mga itsura ng mga inyong bilbil? Mawalang galang na ho. This is not a healthy lifestyle. Next, please. Lalo na yan. Tingnan mo naman. Body language. Di ba? Maganda mo tingnan? Ha? Oh, sige. Next, please. Oh, ayan. Ha? Ba't wala kayong imig? Ha? Ito ang pinakamagandang lifestyle. I think you will agree with me. Next, please. Ayan, gusto yung lifestyle na ganito. Pero mga babae ganyan, nagugulat ako kapag taas mo ng kanilang armpit, may mga buhok. Okay? Ba't masyado kayo seryoso talaga? Okay? So, these are not healthy lifestyles. I think it's time to change. Okay? Pero ito, alam nyo ito, just give you a trivia. I think it's Korean or one of the Asian countries. Pag daw walang buhok ang babae, yun daw yung mga prostitutes. I think it's from Korea, if I'm not mistaken. Taiwan. Okay? So, kayo mga babae, pag tinignan kayo, at tingin nila sa mga Pilipina, kayo mga prostitute. Kaya magpatubo na rin kayo ng mga buhok sa kaya. Okay? Ang pangit lang tingnan, I'm sorry to say. Okay, next please. Endorsement. Isang click lang siya. Okay? Kilala niyo yung mga yan, di ba? Definitely. Why are they trying to endorse a product? What's the reason behind? Number one, product, yes, for us, so for them to earn. Pero giving an info is one of their main objectives. If you will allow me to say that's the true scenario, di ba? Giving information. Now, pakiclick na isa, sir. Sige, pakiclick. Yari, kilala naman natin itong mga nalalaking to. Meron siyang pinopromote, sa dami-dami. Pero isa sa mga, hindi ako sang-ayon sa pinopromote na yung ingat. Yung dulo niya may gano'n. Okay, huwag nyo sabihin, hindi na sinasabi yung product eh. Okay. Dahil bakit? Sabi niya, same even sa pregnant women. Sad to say, if you will look at the means, yung lahat po ng gamot ay nandun, you will see that even paracetamol has adverse effect, not good for the liver and for the kidney. How will it be said na yan ay safe? Okay? Huwag na natin sisihin dahil siya po ay walang kinalaman doon. Yung nag-conceptualize na commercial niya na may problema sa trabaho niya. He is an endorser. Okay? Next please. Ito, especially kung ano-anong ni-endorse, edi sa cold switch, delikado rin po yan. Ano nyo ba yung latest commercial ni Batista? Ano yung latest na? Cobra. Okay. Pero ito yung, I think na yung isang latest, sino yung mahilig sa Volkswagen na kotse? Alam niyo yung Volkswagen na kotse? Nobody knows Volkswagen? Ha? O, yung parang po ba? Meron siyang biniling latest sa Volkswagen. Sinubukan niya ito yung itsura ng Volkswagen niya. Pakikita natin, sir. Yan, itsura ng Volkswagen niya. So, wala talaga. Mahina ang ano nito. Mga di naka-barley. Ayaw malamang. Gusto niyo yung ganitong kotse?
Pwede.
Ha? Okay. Anyway, I just put it up for you to be awakened. Okay? Masyado kayo seryoso eh. Okay? But the purpose of this putting sa ating presentation, ito po, sir, isang napakapindot. Okay, this is in reality endorsement. Okay, isang click, the book of life. Wala pong hihigit sa pinakamagandang endorser kundi ang lumikha sa atin. Would you agree with me?
Yes.
Yeah? The book of life spelled as B-I-B-L-E. Para sa akin, yung mga madalas nakakarinig na ng aking seminars in orientation, pakipindot nga. For me, ito ang meaning niya. Basic instructions before leaving Earth. Okay. Doon po sa mga nakikinig sa akin, sa mga lugar nila, dito po sa ating opisina, give me one valid reason bakit lahat po ng mga appliances and even gadgets has manuals. What's the main reason? Instructions. Especially, yung gadget para humaba ang buhay and to use it properly. Tama? Okay. Now, did you know that the Bible is our manual?
Yes.
It is. It is our manual. Okay? Why? I'll set you an example. Next, sir. Look at Genesis 1:29. God said, see, I have given you every herb, okay, that yields seed, which is on the face of all earth, and every tree whose fruit yields seed, to you or for us, it shall be for food. Ang liwanag po. Herbs po dapat mostly kinakain natin, if I may say. Hindi niya sinabing, see, I have given you every isaw. See, I have given you every caldereta o lechon. Hindi na sinabi yun eh. Ayaw natin sumunod. No wonder biomedicine ang ating buhay. Okay? Wala pong masama paminsan-minsan kumain, pero if you will be strict in the endorsement of Almighty Creator, dapat ito sinusunod natin. Hello? Hi! Gising pa. Bawal ho yan, nagme-meditate po rito, ha? Kasi may nakikita ho, nag-yoga niya. Okay? Ang yoga ho dun sa ano muna, ha? Okay, kasi alam niyo ba, there's the law of attraction. Kasi pag nakikita ko, ma-attract. Paano kaya kung ako yung mag-seminar na, this is hard. It's good for your brain. Kaganahan mo kaya kayo. Pag ito, isa-isa na rin yung tulog eh, di ba? Ay, may tumutulog na cellphone. Pinaparapol ho dito yan. Pag tumutunog. So, kay Ma'am Dayan, unang pararapol natin, ha? Okay, paki-switch off po yung inyong mga cellphone, ha? Okay, di ba yung mga nanonood po doon? Okay lang sa inyo naka-on ang cellphone. Okay, to you, it shall be for food. Napakaliwanag po. Every herb, fruits, it's good. It's made out of herbs. Okay, next. Okay, ito pa endorsement na. Look at this. Deuteronomy 8:7-9 sa ating Old Testament. For the Lord God is bringing you into a good land, a land full of wheat and barley meal, and honey, in which you will lack nothing. Okay? Pakipindot nga ulit isa. Ito po pinakagusto kong i-highlight. Look at that. Ano sinabi niya? You will lack nothing.
Wala ka nakahanap.
Liwanag. Diba? You have it all. You've got it all. From A to Z. Diba? Ang problema, yung isang magandang lalaki rin nag-advertise ko ng I want to be complete. Wala, ito po yun, I'll be honest, it's only vitamins and minerals. Wala po isang enzymes, wala po isang amino acids. How can you turn that as complete? Diba? Kaya sinasabi sa inyo, this is just for the purpose of knowledge, kaya dapat po alam po natin. Look at John 6:1-14, is already in the New Testament. Feeding the 5,000 with the 2 fish and 5 barley loaves. It was again mentioned again, the barley. Wala, ako honestly, this is one of the thing that I really admire about our product. Kasi po, yung nag-i-endorse, wala na po tataas pa ho din. Yan ho pinakamataas na pwede mag-endorse ng isang produkto. Even honey was even mentioned. Okay? Even palm grass. Ako, sarap po kung yun ang ating kakainin. Are you still with me?
Yes!
Okay. Next, please. Okay, look at this. Barley grass are known as Hordeum vulgare. Even the Roman gladiators were able to use it already. Okay? Now, tingnan niyo po, ang tawag po sa kanila Horderai or Latin word for barley eaters. Matagal na po yun, even the Israelites, the Hebrew, the Jews. Look at this. Kailan pa ho ba? 8,000 BC. So, hindi na ho bago ang ating produkto. And I'm very, very glad that Dr. Yoshide Hagiwara was able to discover barley grass. Okay? And was able to promote it to us in our generation. Next, please. Okay. Ito po si Dr. Don Calvert, one of the best doctors in America, an alternative medicine doctor also, a natural fact doctor. Sabi po niya, barley and wheatgrass was mentioned in the Bible 51 times. Ang WWJA, what will Jesus eat? Ito ibig sabihin niyan, ang sabi po niya, 51 times minention ang barley. Okay? So, ang kakandaan mo kay Dr. Don Calvert, look at it on the internet. Okay? I-click niyo po Dr. Don Calvert and sasabihin mo niya lahat yung mga dapat at hindi dapat kainin. At siya po umiikot all around America and partly dito po sa Southern America. Pinagdi-discuss lang po niya all about healthy foods. Especially, ito one of the product is barley. Okay? So I just want you to be updated. Isa po isa sa pinakamagaling na doctor when it comes to alternative medicine and natural fact. Okay, next please. Top superfoods. One click. Okay, Natalie is one of the best nutritionists in America. Okay, you can see this on YouTube. Click nyo. Parang hindi nyo sinasabing si Doc naman, puro barley at wheatgrass. Galing po din sa kanila to. I'm just telling you, ito po ay also based on their studies. Pakiclick na isa. Okay, quinoa, grain food, next. Goji berry, next. Acai berry. Spirulina is one mentioned. In protein, agave nectar fruits. Stevia, which is the natural best sugar. And wheatgrass or barley grass. Palakpakan naman po natin yung barley. Okay? So, it is there for you to see. Hindi po tayong gumawa nito. Based on their studies, this is one of the top super foods. When you say super, wala nang siguro higit dyan. Okay? Actually, ang close fight then for me is wheatgrass, barley, and spirulina. Yan ang medyo close fight. The problem lang with spirulina, up to now, it's not been stated that there is vitamin C. Unlike in our barley grass, there is a good source of vitamin C. Okay? So next please. Young barley grass is the complete food. Take note that actually it's not just being categorized as a food supplement, we are categorized as a food. Okay? Next please. Okay. I will try to mention later on, kasi kung isa-isahin ko ito, baka mamaya ay naghihilik na ho kayo sa mga upuan at yan ho sa inyong mga lugar. But if you will look at these vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and amino acids, guys, ito yung sinasabi kong complete. May nagtataka, bakit gumagaling? Guys, I'm telling you, I'm not here just to promote about the product, I'm here to promote the ingredients. Take note, iba yung produkto lang sa ingredients ng nilalaman ng barley. Barley is generic. Sante Pure Barley NZ is our trade name. Diba? When you talk about barley, ito po yung in general. Especially, ang importante na po ito, how you preserve the organic state, how you have this processing. Dapat po, hindi mawala yung mga specially live or active enzymes. Okay? So, I'll try to have a rundown para hindi nyo makalimutan yung, hindi man ho lahat to, nagbukas po tapos natin pag lahat to inisa-isa ko, yung medyo mga importante mamaya pag-uusapan natin. Okay, next please. Scientific facts. Okay, fact sir, isa. Yan. 11 times the calcium and 30 times vitamin B1 than cow's milk. Alam niyo sa probinsya, naalala ko, di ba yung gatas ho ng baka? Eh, napakasustansya mo yan. Sino nakainom sila ng gatas ng baka? Si Sir lang, oh. Si Ma'am. Wala na. How about the others? Deprived.
Mother's milk.
Mother's milk. Ay, baho yun, iba yun. Okay? Good sa mga itinatawag na colostrum. Pero ang nakakatakot doon, Sir Vernon, yung tatay pag-unang kumuha. Delikado tayo doon. Next. 5 times the iron, 6 times much carotene, and 3 times the vitamin C than spinach. Okay, next please. Look at this. 66 times more chlorophyll than spinach. Grabe. Sinasabi nga ni Sir Abet dito, kung ito ay na-discover ni Papay, barley ang kakainin niya, hindi spinach. Diba? So definitely, mas mataas po ang ating chlorophyll. Alam niyo ba, pag-usapan po natin chlorophyll, grabe, ito po yung dugo ng mga halaman. Ito yung pinakadugo niya. Imagine mo, kasi para bang ikaw yung Dracula, vampira, sumisipsip ka ng pure na dugo ng mga halaman. Eh, para ka nagpapa-blood transfusion. Gusto niyo ba yung mga fresh palagi ang mga dugo natin? Definitely. Para may wipe out, especially the free radicals. Okay? Next. 2 times the beta-carotene than carrots. Gusto niyo bang lumiwanag ng inyong mga mata? This is it, guys. Okay? 2 times the beta-carotene. Beta-carotene pala, solve na tayo po eh. Ito 2 times than the beta-carotene. Next. Okay, 7 times the vitamin C than oranges. Look at this. We here at Sante have a sister company called nagpo-produce tayo ng the Pure-less vitamin C. Akala kasi nila vitamin C is just for common colds, upper respiratory tract infection. Alam niyo bang talagang gamit po ng vitamin C is to strengthen your arteries. Yung pagtatapal ho is not a question. Ang pinag-uusapan po dyan yung pagbiyak po ng artery. Kasi po lahat po pag may biyak na artery, siyempre magtatapal po yung ating mga arteries ng biyak. In order for that tapal to be avoided, ano dapat gawin? Avoid yung pagbiyak. Ang avoid po nun is the collagen. Ano yung ba pagkain ng collagen? Collagen, ang pagkain niya is vitamin C. Pag wala po sa vitamin C, humihingi ng collagen, rumurupok po yung wall ng artery niya. That's the time it cracks. Doon magsisimula ang tapal, doon nagbabarangin yung mga ugat. That's what we call pathophysiology. No? Paglabas nyo ito, hindi lang kayo mga distributor, kayo mga doktor at nurses na naman.
Yes.
Okay, di ba? Huwag lang kayo magre-reseta. Paglabas na. MD, PhD, MD, ang mga degree nyo. Alam niyo yan?
Mukhang doktor.
Mukhang doktor, pero hindi doktor, manggagamot daw. Okay? Next, please. Okay, 4 times the B1 than whole wheat flour. Next. Okay, 80 milligrams of vitamin B12 per 100 grams. Yan po ay reference Research Association, Office of the Science and Technology, and Japan Food Analysis Center. So hindi lang po tayo gumagawa nito, it had been studied abroad. Okay, so hindi lang po saan kayo gumagawa nito, to be fair. Okay? Okay pa ba ho kayo dyan?
Yes!
Lahat po ng mga frontalis muscle nyo ay nakakurot na. Okay, para bang hirap na po. Okay? Next please. Want to lose weight? Okay. Sino gusto magbawas ng kanilang mga salbabida? Okay, good. Gusto mo magbawas pa? Baka wala naman kaya sa'yo. Okay? Look at this. Barley contains phenylalanine, okay, an amino acid, a natural, take note ha, natural appetite suppressant. Hindi ho kayo magugutom once you took this. Kaya kagandahan nito, tingnan nyo, one sachet on an empty stomach, half to 1 hour before your meals, is the most effective and beneficial method for weight loss. Siyempre, pagwawala pa yung regular exercise. Gusto niyo pumayat? Do it. Pero don't substitute it with a meal. Although complete talaga siya sa ingredients, pero still, konting milk, it can be done with a small amount of milk. Okay? Sarap po tingnan ng ganyan, di ba? Lalo na yung medyo talagang sexy. Okay, hindi yung siksik. Okay? Sexy. Next. Okay. Tingnan niyo po ito ha. For those who are having a bloodline of diabetes, barley is an excellent food choice for those concerned with about type 2 diabetes or pre-diabetes. Okay, yung mga type 1 o bago onset pa lang, because the grain contains essential vitamins and minerals and is an excellent source for dietary fiber. Particularly, pakibasa nga po ito, the beta-glucan-soluble fiber. It has been seen that beta-glucan-soluble fiber promotes healthy blood sugar by slowing glucose absorption. So, pinapahina ho niya yung pagkuha ng mga tamis sa katawan ng tao. Okay, so huwag ho kayo matakot. Kung ibibigay niyo is diabetic naman yung pasyente, okay lang. Anong problema? Okay? At sana if I can just... Okay, anyway, i-shortcut ko lang ha. Ano ba ang kulang ho usually sa mga diabetic? Ano yung hormone o I may say molecule or thing na kulang sa kanila? Insulin. Okay? Saan ba nanggagaling ng insulin? In what part of the body? Pancreas. Okay. The pancreas, kayo mga nasa nursing and medical field, there are 3 types of cells sa pancreas. We have the alpha, the beta, and the delta cells. What if the product can restore or rejuvenate the beta cells of the pancreas? In other words, pag nagawa niya yung beta cells na nagpo-produce ng insulin, lalabas po yung insulin, so magkakaroon kayo normal of insulin, then your blood glucose level will go back to normal. Remember, your body is capable of healing itself. Kaya sinasabi ko po sa lahat po sa inyo, huwag agad ho na nakatakbo kayo sa drugstore para bumili ng gamot. Your body has the natural healing capacity. Hindi ho dapat kayo. Alam niyo ba pati atay niyo? Kung if you have especially a healthy lifestyle, healthy body, huwag naman mangyari na opera kayo sa atay, kahit kalahati, tutubo ulit ho yan. If you have a good, healthy lifestyle and good nutrition. No need. Yung mga sipon-sipon lang, lalo kung puti, kaya bisa pag may pasyente ako, tatanong sa akin, Dok, ano ba magandang gamot sa sipon? Munang tanong ko, anong kulay ho ng sipon nyo? Puti. No need. You just increase your vitamin C, a lot of fluid or water, and that's it. Kusa hong mawawala yan ng sipon. That's only a viral infection. Limited po yan. Mawawala ko yan ng kusa. If you have especially a good, healthy lifestyle. Okay? Are we learning?
Yes.
Okay, good. Next. Vitamin P. Narinig na po yan. Vitamin P. Vitamin power. Okay? Kaya sinama ko ito that even those who are watching at their places, vitamin P is considered as the permeability factor. Andiyan po yan. Binabasahin niyo ba yung ating mga leaflet?
Yes.
Ano po yung vitamin P? For your information, vitamin P plays a big role saan po? Look at that, sa pag-absorb ng vitamin C. Take note. At siya po ay, ano sabi, look at this, vitamin P impact the condition of our blood as well by helping ensure that our red blood cell ay hindi ho magkumpul-kumpul. O hindi magkaroon ng what we call in the medical term thrombus. Thrombus is blood clot. Pag nag-blood clot at ibara, alam natin end result niya. You can suffer from heart attack or stroke. So good to sa mga taong may mga lahi na stroke or mga heart attack. Okay? At look at this, when you say capillaries, Ma'am Dayan, ano nga ba yung capillaries? Ala? Okay? Nasa iba yung diwa naman. Okay. Capillaries is a union between a venule and a arteriole. Pag nagsama po yung maliliit na ugat, yung po tinatawag na capillaries, for the info lang na hindi po nasa nursing or medical. Ang ugat, may maliliit na ugat. Yung maliliit na ugat, pag pinagsama-sama, tawag po itong capillaries. Pinalalakas po niya yan para hindi ka mag-bleed. Okay? Lalo na yung mga medyo madaling mag-gum bleeding, okay? Mga madaling magkaroon ng mga pasa. Okay? This is very, very good, especially the presence of vitamin P. Okay? It's also a take note on, tingnan nyo, natural anti-inflammatory. So para po kayo nagme-mechanic acid. Anti-inflammatory. Hindi nyo na kailangan pang uminom ng synthetic. Ito nasabi sa inyo, you have it all. Okay? Next please. Vitamin F. O, may narinig nyo na ba yan? Vitamin F. Okay? Also known as essential fatty acids. Ayan o, sinasabi po rito, merong linoleic acid, alpha-linoleic acid. Shortcut ko lang po ha. Meron po mga omega-3 yan and omega-6. At sinasabi pong gamma-linoleic acid. Ano po yung gamma-linoleic acid? This is second to mother's milk. Kasi sinasabi po ni Sir Vernon kanina. Ang problema po natin mga lalaki, paano tayo kukuha ng mother's milk? Sir, can you give me a suggestion? Paano tayo kukuha ng gatas ng ina?
Bagong pangasak.
Okay. Actual yung actual dapat hindi yung naka-grocery. Dapat yung preserved na live kukuha tayo sa gatas ng ina. Ang problema natin, siguro pwede yung breast pump. Kasi pag actual at diretso, delikado pag lalo asawa natin, may kasunod mo yun, diba tatay? Okay? So, mga dalawa, meron tayong barley. Okay? Masyado kayo talaga. Ganyan mo ba talaga kayo? Tahimik kayo madalas. Siguro mas maganda pa yung lalo sa mga nanonood sa kanilang tahanan na medyo isa lang lamang nila sa atin. While trying to be with us, sigurado kumakain po sila. Tayo din tayo kumakain dito. No? Kaya malang konting energy. Okay, next please. Vitamin K. Ang sinasabi na iba, potassium. Hindi, iba po yung talagang vitamin K. This is especially the German word called coagulation. Okay? Ito yung importante po for blood clot formation. Lalo po yung mga may mga dengue, yung may mga nakat po, sugat. Siya po ang merong responsibility tapalan ang sugat. This is the one that medyo may problema po sa mga diabetic. Okay? Kaya maganda rin ito to promote blood clot formation. Pakibasa nga po ito. Phylloquinone. The phylloquinone is known as the vitamin K. Okay? Yan po yan. So I'm giving you a overview. Next. Ayan. Okay, take note this. Ano sabi po ni Professor Ragnarsberg? Our diet should consist of 20% acidic only and 80% alkaline food to maintain a healthy body. Sabi po, one of the best American nutritionist, Professor Ragnarsberg. Dapat po kinakain daw natin ilang porsyento yung alkaline? 80 yung acidic? 20% lang. Now guys, I'm going to flash to you. Hindi ko isa-isahin. Tingnan niyo po yung madalas na kinakain nyo. Sir. Ayan. Okay? Pakitignan ho yung madalas kinakain nyo. Ang naputo lang po rito, under the vegetable, ito po yung barley grass. So, ito ho You can see this on the internet. So, it's on alkaline food. Okay? Tingnan niyo po dyan. Yung mga umiinom po ng tubig. Andito po sa acidifying foods. Etong huli. Pakibasa na. Distilled water. Yung mga umiinom po dyan ng mga distilled water. Hindi ko nang babanggitin yung brand. It starts with letter A and W. Okay? Medyo pasosi-sosi pa ng lakad. Pinakikita pa nila yung bote nila. Those are a little bit acidic water. Bakit po iniiwasan natin yung acidic foods? Because it promotes the growth of cancers. Nakalahat na ng sakit, nabubuhay po sila sa acidic environment. Hindi kamukha po ng mga alkaline, hindi sila dumadami. That's why I strongly suggest even sa water, okay, nasan na yung water doon sa kabila? Okay? Okay? Alkaline. Alkaline, antioxidant water. Meron po mga refilling station ngayon na alkaline. Okay? If I were you, yun po para sa akin ang the rest. Take the alkaline water. Plus our barley, wala na akong dahilan kung di pa humaba ang buhay nyo, kamukha ni Methuselah. Kilala niyo si Methuselah? Yes. Ilang taon siya nabuhay? 169. Gusto niya mabuhay na gano'n? Amoy lupa ka na, nagsasalita ka pa. Okay, next please. Okay, medical report. Click. The amount of antioxidant in your body is directly proportional to how long we live. According to Dr. Richard Carter, former director of the National Institute of Aging, Washington, D.C., Sinasabi po rito ni Dr. Packer, kung gaano kataas daw po ang antioxidant, gano'ng kahaba ang buhay nyo. Take note, pakipindot sir. Barley grass and an ORAC value or antioxidant or the ORAC radical absorbance capacity value of 25,500. Wala pong lumapit man lamang sa ORAC value ng barley. Palakpakan naman po natin ang barley. Okay? So, kung kayo po ay isang barley eater, ano yung tawag sa barley eater kanina? Kung nakikinig ko kayo sa akin? Ano yung tawag ko sa mga barley eaters? Cordillera. Okay? Kung kayo po ay ganon, kayo po ay hahaba ang buhay niyo. Okay? Ako ay sasabihin ko sa inyo to, never I do miss daily, especially when I went back to Sante, taking up barley. Every day. Okay, I'm taking at least 2 to 3 sachets a day. Okay, ang sarap po na pakiramdam, wala po kayo, yung gising mo is parang buo, yung gising mo na parang hirap ka parang dumilat, napakaganda po para sa akin. Okay, next. Oh, sino gusto talagang bumata ang itsura? Pakitaas mo ng kamay, ayun, si Jonah na naman. Take note, gusto ko sinasabi, pati nakikinig mo sa akin dyan, bumata ang itsura, hindi yung matanda babata. Tiyanak po yun, hindi yung pwedeng gano'n, ha? Matanda, medyo itsura bata. Sabi po rito ni Dr. Howard Lutz, Director of the Institute for Preventive Medicine of Washington, D.C., it recommends barley so that you would look like 10 years younger. Wow! Pabor na pabor, lalo sa mga magagandang ginang ng tahanan. Kayo mga dalaga, I'm telling you, kung gusto niyo pang mas kuminis ang mga itsura ng inyong mga skin, take barley. I'm telling you, it's good thing na para sa mga balat. Next! Okay, eto na po, the hidden treasures of barley grass. Okay po ba kayo? Wala tayo natapos. Mga 2 minutes and 3 hours. Okay, okay pa ha? Next please. Okay, just to wrap up this, we are halal approved. This even seen in Quran. Okay, so yung mga kapatid po natin Muslim dyan, this is very, very true na even si Prophet Wasallam, ang consider po niya sa barley is a cure for the heart and kidney. Okay, at sila po ay kumakain ng barley bread which they call talbina. So, in other words, kahit sino po sa ating mga kapatid na kababayan sa Pilipinas, they can take our product barley. Okay? So, wala pong bad news. Everybody can take, even our brothers na Muslim po. Next please. Okay, ito po pinakikita ko na sa inyo one of the latest updates. The enzyme called superoxide dismutase or known as SOD was discovered in 1968. It has been called the antioxidant catalyst. SOD was the first used in an injectable form, pakibasa nga po, to treat severe breathing problems, arthritis, and cancer. Kowal et al. of 2005. Documented po yan. Meron po ang barley ng SOD. Okay?
Yung mga humihilig.
Humihilig, iba naman yan. Ibang usapan hilig. Breathing problems, especially in terms of infection, asthma, mucus secretion, this is good. Hilig is iba yun. Pag-usapan natin when we have time. Okay? The point here, why I'm showing you this, is because these are all documented. Okay? At ang kagandahan lang ng SOD, ang ganda ng SOD ng ating pure barley. Next. Okay. Kilala niyo po yung katabi ko?
Yes.
It so happen na nakausap ko siya. Si Dr. Albert Einstein. Nga? Hindi kayo naniniwala. Yung katabi ko. Si Einstein po yan. Hindi mo ako karikatsura. Totoo yan. Hindi naisip paano ko nakatabi yan. Dahil sa Hong Kong po yan. Sa Victoria Peak. Mahal ko ng entrance dyan. Kaya kung pasili, ako hulog sublang siya sa sarili ko. Now, the point is, kaya ako natutuwa when I'm doing my research, sabi po dito sa College of Medicine, Dr. Albert Einstein, napakaganda raw po sa protection ng cervical cancer sa inyong mga kababayan. And Palin et al. Of 1992, at because of the beta-carotene prevents also yung damaging sunlight that can cause skin cancer, sabi ni Kornhauser et al. Of 1986. Guys, I'm now showing to you documentation na ito po ay mga patuto. Kaya iba, nagugulat sila. Dok, bakit mo po gumagaling? These are just some of the few reasons. Testimony after testimony sa ating kumpanya, don't be amazed. Although ako'y natutuwa, dahil talagang napakaganda at napakasarap ng pakiramdam na may napagpagaling ka, For first is God, diba? Second lang tayo. Pero one thing na hindi tayo dapat ma-amaze, because why? Because of these contents. Sino ba gumawa niyan? Si God. Okay? This is not nanotechnology, it's God technology. Okay? Next please. Barley showed good results for the following diseases. Okay? Tingnan po natin ha. Proven na po ito. Number 1, cancer because of the ORAC value, as I mentioned. Next, hypertension because of the RGE. Next, diabetes of the chromium. Asthma. Okay? Hindi asthma my wife. Okay? Because of the chlorophyll. Arthritis, rheumatism, God because of the SOD also. Next, overweight. Naroon yun because of the carnitine. Yeah? Tatawanan na naman doon sa Ma'am Joanna. Okay? Next, liver cirrhosis, yung mga medyo tumitira ng mga stainless. Kailangan niyo yung mga tumitira ng stainless? You know what's a stainless? Gin. Mga dalaga rin sa pag... Ganun kayo sinasabi ng talk na stainless. Stainless kasi yun yung term sa mga gin. Okay? So mga manginginom, this is good for you to prevent cancer of the liver. Sa mga medyo hyperacidic, sa mga ulcer because of the alkaline. Next. Ayan, psoriasis, skin disease, acne because the pro-collagen type 1. Next. Look at this, anemia. Yung mga mukhang himatayin, o mukhang talagang hipan lang ng hangin, lulupay-lupay-pay na. This is good. Walang tinginan sa kaliwat kanan. Migraine, okay? So, because of the serotonin. Next. Constipation. Naku, ilang beses ba dapat dumumi ang tao sa isang araw?
2, 3.
Naku, 2, 3. Ano ba ito?
Depende sa kanya.
Ha?
9.
At least 2 to 3 times, huwag naman lusaw. Okay? Kasi bakit? How many times do you eat ba?
3.
6.
So, supposedly, dapat yan, ano? Kasi ang Pilipino kasi, dala ha? Just that to clarify ha? Kasi mga Pilipino, di ba supposedly, a human being, take out, listen, a human being has to only eat supposedly 3 times a day. Pero mga Pilipino, they eat 6 times a day. Alas 6, alas 10, alas 12, alas 3 o alas 4, alas 6 ng gabi, umihirit pa ng alas 10 ng gabi, midnight snack. Di ba? Grabe Pilipino, no? Kaya ito'y puro high blood. Okay? So, constipation is one of the good factor ng ating barley product. Dengue, because of the platelet, okay, so bone marrow production. Okay, I will a little bit focus on this. Arginine. Basahin natin ha, Rawi. It's an excellent in treating problems with sterility. Okay? It increases the sperm and egg cell production and motility. Yung galaw niya. Okay, kasi mayroong ibang sperm, baliktad ng takbo eh. Pasok doon sa vaginal canal, bumabalik, natatakot, ewan ko kung kinakatakutan niya sa loob. Ewan ko kung madilim o hindi maintindihan. Okay? Arginine, its amount is high. Can look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Can improve sexual performance for both men and women. Hindi lang panlalaki, pati pang babae. Bakit ho maasim ang mukha ng mga kababaihan? Ha? Ano? Walang partner. Nak! Malaking problema yan. Dung ho sa mga nakikinig po sa inyong lugar, tapos na po ang inyong problema. Bakit? May kasabihan kami, pag nagbabarley ka, may kasabihan, it has died, it has risen, it will come again. Ang pinakamalapit dito yung resurrection, di ba? Yes. Kaya pag nag-resurrect po to, eto itsura lang. Ako pag nagbabarley po ang mga kababaihan, expect nyo, mga asamang mga lalaki, pag nagbabarley mga misis nyo, pakita natin, Sir Belon, ito po itsura ng inyong misis pagdating niyo sa bahay. Yeah. Very sexy and waiting to be planted. Yeah? Nakatawa sila. Eh sila lalaki nagbabarley rin. Paano itsura ng lalaki? Can you imagine, tatay, kung itsura natin mga lalaki? Ito po itsura ng lalaki pag nakabarley. Yan! Diba? Galit na galit po. Dahil very, very powerful siya. So, ano mangyayari? Pakipindot po na isa, definitely, lalapit po siya. At magaganap na ho ang dapat maganap. Okay? Pakipindot, sir. Pag naganap na po yan, pakipindot. Definitely, masaya ho itong saging na to. Ang mahiwagang saging. Okay? Ba't iba-ibang... Bakit? Diba? Masaya siya, oh? Diba? Iba-iba... Ayun ha, mga clean-minded kayo, ha? Okay? Guys, I'll be honest, kidding aside, God created sex for the pleasure of man. Huwag ko kayong mahiyan dyan. Kung hindi dahil doon, wala tayong pare-pareho. And you have read your Bible, isn't it?
Yes.
God created sex for the pleasure of man. Huwag mo nang kahiyanan. Nakakaroon lang po tayo ng kahiyan o nakakaroon tayo ng tawang ganyan pag polluted po mga utak nyo. But if not, it's a good thing for you to know. God created it, di ba? Dahil nga nangungulila si Adan. Okay? And because of this, una-una, I'm telling you, siguro next week, I'm going to try to talk about more yung talagang lifestyle na dapat yung gawin. Sexual performances are good, especially for your cardiovascular. I'm telling you, yung mga single, I'm always telling this, yung mga single, sino mga single dito? Naku, yung mga single, okay? Masaka single, ha? Hindi ko single detox, ha? Yung mga nakunood sa bahay nila. Are you aware that if you are single, based on studies, nauna ko kayong namamatay? I'm not kidding. Next week, sasabihin ko yun. Yung mga active po sa sexual activity with their spouses has longer lives.
Correct.
May nagtanong sa akin, Doc, how many times po ba dapat po nakikipagkalit sa kanilang asawa? Ilang beses po kaya?
Dalawa.
Yung sumagot sa akin, 5 times a day. Huwag naman po. Katakot-takot po protein na tatakot nun. At least twice a week. It'll be fine. Masama ho ang mga itsura ng mga nanay. Wala po kayong magagawa. Pag uminom po ng barley, ihanda nyo na po ang sarili nyo for planting season. Okay? Totoo po yan. I'm not kidding. I just, you know guys, listen to me, ha? Even in my class, ganito po ako mag-lecture. You know why? Based on studies, if you put your lecture in a joke manner, the more it is retained. I'm telling you. Hindi po tayo nagiging malisyoso. Ginagawa ko to kasi pag na-matchak nga, alala ko nyo yung ating pinag-usapan dito. Okay, next please. Barley nutritional properties. Ito na po tayo, ha? Dahan-dahanin mo lang ho. Tingnan nyo, ha? Ito po yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, dapat kung medyo matandaan nyo. Alanine, activates muscles, immune system booster. Dahan-dahan lang, sabi mo, ha? Arginine, new muscle builder. Tingnan po, supports immune system, detoxifies the liver. Ayan po ay mga sinasabi kung nakikita nyo. Dali lang. Do you even bother to read the nutritional facts of our product?
Yes.
Ito po yun. At this is the merely important things na niligay ko. Aspartic acid, tingnan nyo po, assist making healthy DNA. Tingnan nyo po yun. What's the meaning of DNA?
Dahil ang buwan.
Ma'am Dayan, you can help us. What's DNA? Pasensya ka, professor ako, kaya ako madalas ako nagtatatanong. Okay, deoxyribonucleic acid. It is part of your red blood cells. Ngayon, pag nagagawa po niyan, making healthy DNA, what's my point? It can somehow refrain from what we call hereditary diseases. That's my point. Pwede ho niyang i-repair sakasakali yung mga lahi natin na sakit. Okay, next. Okay, beta-carotene, alam po natin yan, no? Immune system booster, defense against the free radical attack, aids in digestion, look at that, vision enhancement, cornea protector. Ano yung cornea? Sa mata nga po. Tama naman po. What portion of your eye can you see the cornea? It's transparent, you cannot see it. Pero yan po yung pinaka nasa labas. Yan po yung pwedeng i-transplant immediately. Why? Because it's the only part of the body, take note ha, board type question yun to. Only part of the body is avascular, meaning no blood vessel. Kaya madali pong lipat sa ibang tao na hindi yung nire-reject ng transplant recipient. Okay? That's the cornea. Bioflavonoids, especially the vitamin P, immune system booster, removes toxins from skin cells. Biotin promotes healthier looking. Ayan. So yung mga medyo Aladdin, may lahi na ni Aladdin. Aladdin buhok. Okay? Shaggy. Sa kilid ng buhok. Okay? Mga lahi po ng Top Gun. Top Gun. Okay, yan po. Pwede sa inyo ang biotin. Okay? Okay, next please. Okay, magnesium promotes tranquility. Oh, ano yung tranquility? Narinig yung word tranquilizers. You'll be comfortable, relax, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-atibanggang, hindi mo na kailangan mag-value. This is good. Moderates mood swings, reduce migraine headaches, Manganese assists joint mobility. Yung mga may tama po ng arthritis, gout, rheumatoid, osteoarthritis, is good to you. Methionine, or the methionine, enhances memory, o mga medyo mayroong memory gap. Okay, o walang turuan, o baka sa inyo dyan, tuturuan na sila. Mga memory gap, okay? Yan ho, yung maganda sa inyo. Mood elevator removes heavy metals. Okay? Yung heavy metals ho, hindi nyo nagdadano ng combo. Yung mga toxin po sa loob ng katawan natin. Next. Molybdenum increase longevity, pampahaba ho ng buhay. Vitamin B3, or known as niacin, stress reducer. Sino sa inyo hindi na-stress? Lalo pag dumarating yung mga bill sa inyong mga bahay. Lalo pag dumarating tuition pay, no, Ma'am John, ano? Stress na stress tayo. Diba? So, ito po ay pang-balanse. Lowers cholesterol, assists in reversing atherosclerosis. Ano po itong atherosclerosis? Yung pangangapal doon sa mga tapal-tapal sa inyong mga ugat or artery. Tumutulong po ang ating B3. Nickel promotes cellular growth and reproduction. Look at this, oh. I'd like to focus on this. Promotes cellular growth and reproduction. So, women who have problems with reproduction, it can help. I'm not saying this is the total solution, but it can help. Okay? Nucleic acids, ayan na naman po, pag di pa kayo tumalin niya, memory enhancement. Okay. Ang kagandahan lang ho rito, pati yung utang nyo, maaalala nyo. Okay, so yun ang bad news about dito, maraming utang na. Okay, next. Okay, omega-3, omega-6. This is in the essential fatty acids of vitamin F. Increases cell membrane flexibility, cholesterol dissolving. So yung mga pwede yung magbara, hindi dissolve niya. Reduces cardiovascular diseases, yung mga may lahing sakit sa puso. At omega-6 relieves arthritis symptoms. So may mga tama na ho. Ito yung sinasabi ko. I think you have heard me last week, my personal testimony, I have a right knee osteoarthritis. In less than 2 months, gumaling po yung aking osteoarthritis. Okay, yung kanan ko po tuhod, nasisimula mahal kumoderate. Ang kaganda lang, hindi ako uminom ng any synthetic drug for arthritis. Barley product na po. Medyo talagang nawala na. Parang naman natin yung barley. Pasado ba yung seryoso, no? Yung crowd ko ho last week, at least medyo energetic kayo. Talagang pinifeel nyo ng gusto eh, no? Ayaw ko kung talagang kayo attentive lang. Next. Boron improves mental clarity, assists with unclogging arteries. Calcium, siguro naman, lahat tayo alam natin ang calcium, di ba? Promotes stronger bones. Take note, oh. Pakibasa ngayon pangalawa. Calms the nerves. So yung mga mayroon irritable, irritated, is good. Improves cholesterol level. Chlorophyll, sinabi ko, no? Bowel regularity, cleanses the intestinal tissue. At ito yung nagpo-promote din sa blood nyo. Next. Chromium, look at this. Moderate existence diabetes, prevent adult onset diabetes. Cobalt. Ayan, no? Ito kagandahan, take note. Pag may mga problema kayo sa nervous system, cobalt can repair the nerve cells. Good. Di ba? Yung mga meron tama yung parang medyo merong tinutusok, parang medyo pakiramdam niya namamanhid, medyo maganda-ganda po para sa inyo. Okay? Help produce red blood cells, copper. Eases arthritis, help produce red blood cells. Also, next. Sustain, detoxify. Look at this. Inaalis mo niya yung mga pwede mag-cause ng cancer. Essential fatty acids promotion. Reduces cardiovascular disease. Pantothenic acid, the vitamin B5, reduces morning pain caused by arthritis. Yung bang medyo pagkising nyo, bang magaganit, yung pakiramdam nyo, yung kasukasuan nyo. This is good. Reduces toxicity from alcohol. O yung mga manginginom, pardon me, lalo yung mga taga-call center, if I may add. Defender of the universe. Tama ba siya nandun? Wala lang talagang di attentive. Nagpapatawa na ako, wala pa rin. Ano ba na nangyari dito sa inyo? Defender against free... Alam niyo po ba yung free radicals?
Yes.
These are all in abundant, can cause cancer or diseases. So, ang pantothenic acid, nire-reduce po niya. Next. Ayan, sinabi ko na phenylalanine improves mental clarity, sugar craving reducer, pampaslim, okay? Phosphorus assists with healthy teeth. May nagtanong sa akin, ito, paano yan? Puro pustiso na ako. Okay, hindi ka benefit dyan. Okay? Increases bone fracture repair. May mga tinamaan. Kasi tinanong pa naman, wala na raw yung ipin. Paano raw siya? Pero sa ko, sir, hindi mo kayo talaga tutubuan ng ipin. Binigyan na po kayo eh. Isanggol baby pa ho. Okay? Bone fracture is a good, guys. Another, if you are in the marketing perspective, yung mga naka-confine o may mga tama na fracture sa buto, you can try it.
Yung orto natin.
Wag na muna yan. Saka na muna. Talaga. Okay. Potassium. Hypertension reducer. Blood pressure control. Next. Ayan. Proline. Increases learning ability. Take note of. That's why it's good also for children. Okay? Learning ability assists repairing torn cartilage, mga na-spray. The pyridoxine of the B6, immune system booster, relieves. What's PMS? Oh, yung mga may problema sa mga dalaw nila monthly, okay? Riboflavin boosts physical energy, defends free radical attacks, reduces eye fatigue. Medyo minsan sa umaga parang naduduling. And the RNA, or the RNase, improves mental focus. Next, malapit na po tayo. Fiber eliminates toxic waste. Folic acid increases mental focus, prevents anemia. Hindi ba kayo nanulula sa mga produkto natin? Dami, no? No, pag kayo po ay hindi pa na-contento rito, ewan ko na lang. No? Diba sa sobrang dami. Next. Ayan, the gamma linoleic acid, it lowers cholesterol. Okay, on top of its booster the immune system. Glutamic acid reduces alcohol, sugar craving. So yung mga medyo gusto nyo bumaba, yung medyo pagking alcohol, yun, this is good. Let them take. Okay, mga nangyayari. Sometimes it can also have a good effect. Next. Glycine, yan na naman. Calms nervous system. Histidine enhances nutrient absorption, remove toxic metals. Next. Selenium strengthens immune system, relieves anxiety. Take note. Anxiety. Yung medyo irritable, medyo iniisip pa yung mga punctuation pain ng mga bata, medyo talagang ay, hindi makatulog. This is good for you. Serene enhances skin. O yan, no? Ladies, skin beauty. Ako, number 1 ng mga babae na alam ko. Next. Okay, sodium assist preventing sunstroke. Superoxide dismutase, ito ulit, preventing free radical activity. The substance P of vitamin P increases mental focus. Thiamine B1 increases energy. Next. Ayan. Theanine, immune system enhancer, ameliorates skin tone. Inaayos po niya yung medyo kulubot-kulubot na balat. Okay? Pero pag medyo may edad na ho, kayo mag-isip na, baka yung kulubot, mahuhulat pa ho. Okay? Medyo gaganda pa ho itsura na. Tyrosine improves emotional health, enhances mental alertness, increases memory ability. Ang dami po, no, na-enhancer ng brain. Okay? Valine promotes muscle tissue building and vanadium assist sa mga blood sugar level. Next. Ayan na. Ito na po. Iodine. Tatandaan niyo iodine? Okay, narinig niyo yun? Pagkulang sa iodine, ano pwede maging sakit? Okay. Goiter. Assist with maintaining regular body weight. Iron decreases anemia, increases emotional health, increases physical energy, the production of isoleucine, builds muscle, and helps repair. Ano po? Pakibasa na po? Helps repair the liver. Okay, next. Ayan. Lecithin. Narinig ko yan, di ba? May commercial na with lecithin. Okay? Dissolves cholesterol deposits, improves short-term memory. Short-term memory. Okay? Maganda po yan. Okay, ano pa? Reduces hypoglycemic symptoms, yung sa mga mababa ang mga blood sugar. Linoleic acid combats viral infection. Kaya hindi nyo na kailangan agad maggamot because it's combating the viral infection. Lysine helps prevent osteoporosis. Weakening of the bones. Okay, nagiging marupok. This is good for you. Next. Ayan po, vitamin B12, okay, increases physical energy, enhances mental focus, assists with the nervous system. Vitamin C, sinabi ko kanina, specialist sa capillaries. Vitamin E, immune system booster, promotes healthy nerve tissue. And last but not the least, the zinc, supports prostate, guys. Kung sa babae, madalas naman is breast cancer, sa ating mga lalaki is prostate cancer. It's a good way of preventing it. Strengthening the immune system, reduces outbreaks of acne. Yung, ano niya? What's acne?
Kati-kati.
Yung?
Kati-kati.
Tagyawa. Okay, yung mga parang dahil sa tagyawa, tinubuan ng mukha, pwede ho to. Nakita na kayo ng ganun dahil sa tagyawa, tinubuan ng mukha, pwede ho. Ibigay ito. Okay? So, reduces common cold symptoms. Are you sold out with this? Or kulang pa ho sa inyo yung ating barley product?
Sobra.
Sobra pa, no? In other words, talagang kompleto. Next. Frequently asked question. Ito ho, medyo makinig po tayo dito, ha? Ito yung madalas na itinatanong na inilagay ko. Next. Is there anyone who should not use barley? It's a natural food. Most people can take it. So wala tayong problema rito. Next. Can I take barley while taking medication? Okay, hanggat hindi kayo binabawalan ng inyong mga doktor to take green foods or salads, it's okay to take our product. Okay? Next. How to consume barley grass? Well, I would say, yung 1 teaspoon sa iba, sa atin, remember 1 sachet is 3 grams. Okay? Twice a day, 30 minutes before meals, ang pinakamaganda. Mamaya sagutin ko kung bakit, okay? Kung medyo may sakit po kayo, that's the time that we have to increase the dosages. Kaya po andito kami at Dr. Salindong, especially if we can try to tell you kung ano yung sakit, we will say the proper dosages that you have to take. May nagtanong po sa akin, listen to this, ha? Dok, gano'ng katagal ko ho dapat inumin ang barley pure NZ? Ang sagot ko, hanggat kaya mo gusto mong mabuhay. Because it's a food. Hindi naman to yung ordinary supplement. If you want to be healthy, go ahead. Next. Why do we need to use room temperature or cool water? Because of the active enzymes or the live enzymes. Kaya hindi rin dapat yan gamitan ng maiinit o yung mga medyo talagang sobrang lugar na pinaglalagay nyo na maiinit kasi masisira yung active enzymes. Next. Why should we consume barley grass on an empty stomach? Ito, because the nutrients can be assimilated on an empty na hindi nasasama sa ibang mga produkto. Nagba't at least siya una makuha ng sistema mo bago yung iba. Lalo kung kumakain ka ng mga pampabata, yung mga litson, mga bulalo, mga sisig, huwag dapat mahalo para di sa mahirapan na bigyan ka ng nutrients. Okay? Next. Who is barley grass good for? Pakibasa ngayon naka-underline? Everyone can take barley. At take note, even pregnant women. Now, I would just try to suggest, even those who are listening at their places, ito lang po, no? Especially in OB, na mga OB pregnant women, I would just try to suggest that if you would like to let them take our product after the first trimester. Bakit? Yung first 3 months is what we call the organogenesis. Nabubuo pa lang yung bata. Wala tayong side effect. Take note, ha? Wala tayong side effect. Pero minsan, baka tayo sisihin. Kaya nagkaroon ng bingot niya, kaya nagkaroon ng abnormality, or kaya nagkaroon ng trisomy 21 o mental retardation dahil di sa barley mo na yun, pero pag after 3 months, buo na yung bata. Taken at 3 months. That's the point. So, wala namang problema, pero just for safety precaution, let them take after the 3 months. Okay? Of AOG, or age of gestation. Next. If I take barley grass, should I also take other supplements? Anong sagot pa naka-underline?
No need.
There is no need because you have it all. Diba? Kompleto na po yan. Next. I started taking barley grass and I feel worse. Madalas yan. Diba? Because why? You are undergoing a detoxification. Lalo na po kung maraming body toxins sa inyong katawan, makakaramdam kayo ng fatigue, rashes, headaches, something, nausea, parang dual. Iba yun sa vomiting, ha? Okay? Vomiting yan, dual na yan, diarrhea, insomnia, or sometimes constipated. You just have to increase your liquid or your water. Pero, this is just flushing out toxins and pakibasa na ito, it will soon pass. Just go ahead, diretso nila. Mawawala rin po yan. Okay? Kasi nga, the more toxins you have inside your body, the more you're going to feel these things. Okay? Now, last but not the least, ito po sa akin gusto sabihin. The UC Davis, a segment dun sa research area po sa Amerika, yung 2O, pakibasa ka po ito? The glycosylizovitexin. Okay? Ay talaga na-prove nila, it's very effective ang antioxidant at siya po ay nakaka-prevent ng aging, mutagenesis, carcinogen at radiation damage. Grabe. Talagang this will let you look younger. At yung mga nag-imitate na cancer cells, matitigil po siya. The what we call the 2O GIV. Next. Okay, kilala niyo po yan? I'm about to end. Kilala niyo po yan? Hippocrates, the father of medicine. I always tell this wherever I go, let your food be your medicine and your medicine be your food. Hindi niya sinabing, let your medicine be amoxicillin. Let your medicine be paracetamol. Hindi niya sinabi. Pakibasa nga ulit, pakiclick. Look at this, ha? A wise man should consider that health is the greatest of human blessings. Hippocrates, the father of medicine. Are you blessed if you're healthy? Yes. You are. Guys, puso sa puso po tayo, ha? Let me hear this. Isa na lang ang gagawin natin. Aalagaan na lang po natin ang katawan natin. Maraming yung kababayan tayo, not only kababayan, mga ibang tao sa hospital, how they wish they could be normal again. Eh tayo normal tayo, hindi kawawa natin, tamaan tayo. Diba? Huwag po kayo manghinayang. Hindi kayo nanghinayang sa load, hindi kayo nanghinayang sa mga gandang cellphone. Tapos katawan nyo, tinitipid nyo. I hope you won't mind by saying this. Kasi ibang tao, tingin to gastos. Para sa akin, this is the best investment of all. Huwag kayong maghinayang sa inyong health. Click na, sir. Okay, look at this. Hippocrates, the father of medicine. Tignan niyo po, ha. He treated his patients with proper diet. Tignan niyo po, ha. Ano? Fresh air, change in climate, and attention to habits, living condition. His favorite diet for the sick people was barley. Take note, even Hippocrates, ini-endorse po niya ang barley. Palagpakan man po natin, di ba? No, but alam niyo, sabi ko nga sa kanila eh. The reason why I'm telling this to you guys, lahat po ng wellness industry, kakampi natin yan. Pero sa marketing, kalaban natin sila. This is an edge in terms of marketing dahil ini-endorse tayo ng mga malulupit. Una, si Lord. Pangalawa, si Hippocrates, the father of medicine. Ang lupit niyan. Sa marketing pa lang, pangalan na tayo eh. Diba? Pero in fairness, huwag niyo naman sisirahan iba dahil kanya-kanya strength back. I believe we are one of the best, if I may say. Diba? Ating barley product. Okay? So, next please. This is me when we started. Kung kasi nasabi nga ni Sir Ezekiel kanina, we started official launching sa Mega Trade, February 8 of 2005. And here with me is Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Okay, when we had our first launching day. Next, please. Okay, I would like to leave you with this. Pakibasa nga po in reality. 1, 2, 3, go. In the initial years, we forget our health while going after health. Is not that true?
Yes.
Oo, balang-abala. Kagagawa ng pera. Next, please. Look at this. Pakibasa nga. 1, 2, 3, go. In the later years of our life, we spend our wealth to take care of our health. Lahat po na nag-invest, napupunta po dito sa pagpapagamot ng kanilang sakit, which I think is not good. Diba? So we still want na yung ating pera ay ma-enjoy natin yung ating mga pinaghirapan. Okay? Next, please. Okay. 3 things in life that once gone never goes back. Time. I'd like to remind you of this time. Hindi ho tayo bumabata. Lato tayo pausad, walang patras. I always want to tell you this. Listen to me, ha? You always hear the word or phrase, life begins at 40. What does it mean talaga? Totoo lang. Anybody? Come on. Para medyo matapos na tayo. At the age of 40, take note, yung mga nakikinig po dyan sa atin sa lugar na kanilang pinanonoran, you start to deteriorate at the age of 40. Whether you like it or not, from head to foot, pababa na ho. It's encoded in our DNA na pababa na ho lahat ang ating cells. That's why you need nutrition. That's why you need healthy food. That's why especially you need this product of ours called barley. Pansinin nyo, nung bata kayo, pag umakyat kayo ng stairway, di ba, sisi yung first floor, second floor? Wala problema dyan. Eh ngayon, umakyat kayo ng second floor, third floor, ano yung tsura mo? Lawit ang dila. Di ba? Pag kayo mayroong hawak-hawak, nailapag nyo, kami ako, saan nga ba nailapag ko? Galit ka pa sa mambahan, saan mo kinuha? Saan mo nilagay gamit ko? Pala ikaw nakakalimot. Nakakalimot ka. These are all facts, di ba? Time, guys, is precious. Huwag ho kayong mag-next time. Next, words. It's so important. Everything that you tell your friends, you know what? Itong ating negosyo, guys, be careful for what the word you're telling. people love to be valued. I'm telling you. Tandaan niyo po ito, ha? Lahat po tayo, if we want to make it at this company called Sante, especially the industry of network marketing, the power of network marketing is people. Power, but letter P, power, stands for people. Okay? Kaya sinasabi, tingnan nyo, ha? Just short, people, P, O, opportunity, W, work, E, encouragement, R, relationship. Pag hindi yung maganda relationship, hindi it won't work. Sinasabi ko, be careful with the words that you tell your partners here sa ating industry called network marketing. Kasi bakit? Pag nasabi mo na yung pangit, babaon na po yan sa kanyang kalooban, baka hindi mo na kayo makita sa susunod. Be careful with the words. Okay? Next, opportunity. Nasabi na po yan ng ating presidente, ng mga leaders po natin. Opportunity knocks once. You have to grab it. Okay, next please. Ito lang po gustong sabihin sa inyo. Pakibasa nga po. Be sensitive to the leading of your heart. Guys, I'd like to tell you this honestly. There's no accident. The reason why we are here, the reason Sante was brought up, there's a purpose behind it. Do you believe that? Hindi mo, ako, honestly, medyo nagbakasyon po ako, pero sabi ko, Lord, ba't mo ko binalik po ulit sa Sante? And I strongly believe He has a purpose for me. Especially to educate you guys, to learn you of my expertise on what po yung mga gusto ko ibahagi, especially in terms of health. Kaya I think I'm here also. And not only that, definitely, I'm also here because if the company prosper, we all prosper. Di ba? Palagpakan naman po natin ang Sante, okay? Next, please. Okay. Health is not everything, but if you don't have it, everything is nothing. Okay, next please. Tuma, well, I will bless you and you will be a blessing, sabi ng Panginoon. Kaya kasi sinasabi sa inyo, please guys, pag kayo po ay na-bless, huwag ho nyo sarilinin. Bless others. That's the main purpose of us being blessed by God. Okay? So, next place, ito po gusto kong ibigay sa inyo. With God and with Sante International, everything is possible. Okay? Hindi mo pwede wala ko sa dyan. Kailangan combination na lang yan. Okay, so with this, click, sir. Okay, remember, ito po gusto kong sabihin niyo. Pakibasa nga po, you have the power to choose. Choose to be wealthy, choose to be poor, choose to be wealthy, or what? It's all about decision making. Decide now, huwag mo kayong mag-isip pa. Okay, with this, thank you guys. Pakiclick nga po. Okay, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Have a nice day. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much, Doc. Again, another round of applause para po kay Doc Vic. Okay, so maraming salamat. See you again para po sa susunod po nating mga video training. Okay, so announcement lang po, no? Ang ating pong live video streaming is para po doon sa ating Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday presentations. But later on, we will be coming up with live streaming for the whole week. Every day, naka-live stream na po yan. Okay, so para sa mga kapatid natin na nanonood, congratulations, more power to you. Sabi nga po ng kapartner natin, si Gabi from Tagum, it's sun-terrific every day. Okay, so signing off. Maraming salamat. Good day. Para po sa mga leaders natin, meeting after meeting muna. Sandali lang po ito. Gusto lang po natin makapag-usap. And for those who would like to leave, pwede na po. Salamat. Dito muna tayo. Meeting after meeting muna. Meeting after meeting muna tayo. Okay, Doc. Sige. Doc, meron po question. Sige. Question. Dito na tayo. Meeting after meeting tayo sandali.
Madam, anything.